Now, the Boeing Company is an American multinational corporation which designs, manufactures and sells airplanes, rocket satellites, and telecommunications equipment across the world. With the globe returning to air travel post-COVID-19, airlines are increasingly confident of a return to normal travel numbers for the foreseeable future. Will this support Boeing's future manufacturing prospects? From a seasonal perspective, Boeing shares are entering a stronger time of the year. From April the 11th through to June the 8th, the shares have gained 17 times in the last 25 years, with an average return of over 6%. The return has also noted a 44.63% annualised return. So will Boeing shares lift off again this year? Trade risk. The main risk to this trade is on any bad news for the US economy. Also, if there's any bad news for Boeing shares generally, that could also impact the outlook. Remember, HYCM clients can access the Seasonax product in order to analyse over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. Please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.